I need to support a large TV, and a wall mount or a typical TV stand are out of the question. This only leaves a hanging support. I want the TV to park flat against the wall but also twist left or right for easy viewing. To twist, the TV has to travel into the room enough to accommodate rotation. A rail is inconspicuous, and if the actual support of the TV is a small vertical pipe, the visual nightmare of commercially available rigs is avoidable. All of this screams DIY. The TV must travel almost 3 feet into the room. Using a 2-inch ID stainless pipe with a 3/8-inch slot stripped out becomes a rail. Into this rail I put a carriage made of 4 hemisphere wheels supported by a central 1/4 by 1/2 by 7-inch steel bar. A vertical support is welded between the wheels. 4 hemispherical wheels allow for greater weight distribution and will prevent pendular motion of the TV. I designed the hemispheres in FreeCAD and exported an STL file to Meshcam to create G-code for my 3D router, which produced immediately usable wheels in under an hour. One end of the tube rail needs a carriage travel limiter. The other end of the tube rail will be supported against the wall, so a built-in limiter is there. A 3-inch length of tubing is slotted and placed slot up at the end of the track and welded in place. This stops the carriage and prevents rail spread. The TV I'm using has a 400mm VESA support plate. I use 18 inches of 3/4 by 1/8 angle drilled to make top and bottom spans between the support bolts. The angle is at the bottom. Centrally located on each span, I drill a 1/2-inch hole. Through this, a 1/2-inch OD pipe is fitted on the bottom and 400mm up with a ring that will divide the support of the TV between the top and bottom spans and allow the TV to rotate on the supported spans. The parallel planes of the VESA support and TV screen are offset by 4 inches. For the TV to be flat against the wall means mitigating this distance. With the carriage centered directly above the screen and moving the support directly above the VESA support pipe will accomplish the desired effect. Welding a 4-inch extension perpendicular to the vertical carriage support resolves the issue. A second carriage rail support is needed 25 inches from the wall due to the spacing of perpendicular ceiling joists. Vector analysis will reveal how much anchoring force is needed to support the TV when hanging at 3 feet from the wall. A single 1/4-inch, 3-inch long lag will provide plenty of support, but putting it inside of the support rail could hamper carriage motion. To solve this, a wide, slotted, narrow band of 2-inch pipe is fitted with a top piece and slipped over the pipe rail and positioned in situ for correct orientation. 1/4-inch holes for large lags at the ends of the top piece make for easy installation of the lags. This clamping support is also tack welded. To attach the support pipe to the carriage, a 3/8-inch pipe is secured to the 1/2-inch vertical pipe. It will telescope into another section of 1/2-inch pipe welded to the end of the 4-inch support extension of the carriage. A hole is drilled in the 3/8-inch pipe at the upper limit to fit a stop pin above a washer after the support pipe is in place to hold the TV structures together. Installed and the TV attached, all criteria are met.